Welcome back to another video. This will be another quick tip regarding Human Builder. So if you ever wonder why the inverse kinematic worker frame mode is not working, let's see. If I will select the feet of the mannequin over here, I'm gonna see that the compass will snap and I have the possibility to rotate. But as we can see, I will rotate this and it will only go from 0 to 90. This is because this is linked with the increments, so you need to go into edit and you need to adjust the increments over here. If, for example, I will swap the increments to be on 1 degree, we're gonna see how we can now easily manipulate that the mannequin feet. So I can rotate it on all axes using that increment. If you enjoy this content, I will position a link to my CATIA V5 tips and tricks at the bottom and also a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Okay, if you enjoy this kind of content, I will position a similar playlist on the bottom that has a lot of CATIA V5 tips and tricks and another subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.